What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make whipped cream. So, cheers and let's cook. For our whipped cream, we are going to go into our stand mixer with 2 cups or 1 pint of heavy cream. I have 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to put my whisk attachment on. And we're going to whisk this until we have stiff peaks, meaning when you put a spatula in and pull up, it'll stay nice and straight up. I'm going to start on slow, work my way up to high gradually so I don't spray cream all over the kitchen. It's looking good, so let's test it out. And that is sticking straight up, not falling over at all. We're good to go. And there you go, whipped cream in under a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. You just click that little picture of me in the corner. Guys, the recipe, it's written in the description right below. I'll see you next time. Cheers.